2 plus 2 equals 4. And 6 times 4 gives us 24. So 24 divided by 24 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication. Because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have one addition. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So 24 divided by 6 times 4. 24 divided by 6 then times 4. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. So 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.